ni ceceni ya Inoro TV.
Mamwe mama ria tukuhariririe Inoro miaraho.
These are the latest police officers who have come.
Rafael Tuju kuhamurithio ni afitha borithi kuma cikaro-ini ciake mwena wa Karen. Arimi a kahua guthomithio kuhuthira dawa cia kimerera niguo kwagirithia magetha. President Ruto gutetera kigina kia waki. Thirikari ya Kiambu kuhura nja gikundi cia atwarithia a nduthi. Katho cia mwanya muno makiria mwirori wa Inoro TV nireketie kwihanda wega thaa 7 cia miaraho umuthi ni Jumamothi ya tariki 14. Mwihoko wakwa miaraho yaku no ethiete wega na no thiete na mbere na kwimenyerera kuma na mbere rathie na mbere na kura. Ani mohoro mari oreketie kuharirio wega ni njerwa cito cia wandiki wa mohoro kuma ngongo na ngongo cia uko bururi-ini na nginya gitoka cia bururi witu nige guthomera njetagwo Gitonga wa Wambui. Thirikari na andu a wendi mwega ni manyitanire kuheana irio mathukuru-ini maicigo iria ihutetio ni uhagoku wa ugitiri Laikipia ya Rugongo. Oho maugite no makuheana irio mathukuru-ini ma kuria kuhutetio ni ng'aragu muoroto ari gutigirira ati arutwo ni magia na mweke wa guthoma matakuhutio ni ng'aragu. Ethoi wa irimu ni waratuhingurira Inoro miaraho na ripoti ino.
Ya Laikipia ni imwe ya kaunti iria iragumirwo muno ni riũa inene riracungiriria irio kwaga na mahiũ guthamirio icigo-ini ingi. To uguo tu icigo-ini itiganite mwena wa Laikipia ya Rugongo kuratuthuka tharikira cia maito ya mahiũ undu uria uracungiririe mathukuru kuhingwo na maya nimo maundu matumite arutwo guku gutwarirwo irio.
Mashule yetu watoto wako shule na wako shule wanaendelea kusoma na tumekuwa na wafadhili wengi wale ambao wametusaidia kwa hii jani wakati ya jua.
This is not yet enough for us. We have so many of our schools that need this food. So if more food can be given even from other stakeholders, we want to welcome you so that we are on board, all of us.
Hii ni kwa minajili ya kuhakikisha kwamba watoto ambao wanastahili kuwa shule wanaenda, kuhakikisha kwamba watoto wanabaki shule, pia kuna kuwa na elimu ambayo itakuwa ya maana kwa watoto. Hatutaki watoto wawe wanaenda shule tu kwa sababu serikali imesema hapana. Tunataka masomo yawe ya muhimu na yawe ya kuweka tofauti katika maisha hapa.
Kamishna wa kaunti no Duncan Muyesu augite muoroto wao ni gutigirira ati arutwo othe ni magia na mieke miigananu ya guthoma.
Tutahakikisha kwamba kila mtoto yupo shuleni na yupo shuleni akishiba na awe na afya ambayo itawezesha yeye kuwa anapata masomo ambayo itamhakikishia kwamba ana compete na watoto wengine wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
Arutwo aya a mathukuru 55 ma muthingi na ma secondary cia kuinuka mahetwo mucere, mboco na mutu wa ucuru. Githui wa Wairimu, Laikipia.
Ni ngatho Githui wa Wairimu. Na borithi kuma Nyakite kaunti-ini ya Migori ni maratabanio uthuthuria wa uria arurungani marahotire kuingira ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Makalda na guthukangia gari ya borithi na gutiga maafitha amwe a borithi mena nguraro. Arurungani aya thengia wa kuithukira ceceni ino ya borithi oho ni maratharikire wabici ya DCC na kumiananga. Gari ya borithi nayo irathukangio, nyumba cia maafitha a borithi iracinwo na maafitha amwe a ceceni ino gutigwo na nguraro. Kurarikana borithi makigeria kwigitira ni marathũkirie mĩcinga na kuratha andũ eri. Aikari marauga wekina yo koretwo githie na mbere mwena uyu kuria onjori atatu maratharĩkĩirwo na kũrathwo nĩ ekinaĩ, no borithi gũtirĩ ikinya makoretwo moete rĩa kũmateithia. Mũrũrũngano ũyũ ũrarĩ wa thayũ no ĩndĩ ũragarũrũka na kwĩhĩrĩria rĩrĩ maratharĩkĩire ceceni ĩno ya borithi.
They listen to us, we listen to them. We are angered because in 24 hours we've lost 3 people. Young people below 25 years. How? And we have a government that is in place. This is not Haiti. This is a working government. This is a democratic government.
Punde mtoto pia ambaye anatafuta tu vitu zake, ambaye msaidie maisha yake pia walimshoot jana. Punde si punde leo tulikuwa tunataka kwenda kwa polisi tujue ni nini inatendeka. Hawa mapolisi ama ni wananchi. Sasa wameanza kushutu watu. Paka wameua ule mtoto ambaye alikuja tu kutafuta pesa, ambaye anataka kuregister aende university.
Tukitigana icio nĩ atĩ arĩmi a kahũa kuma thothaitĩ ya arĩmi ya Kĩlalani mwena wa Kagundo nĩ magunĩkĩte na mĩtĩ mĩrongo ĩtatũ ya kahũa kuma kũrĩ rũhonge rwa KPCO. Rũhonge rũrũ rugĩte rũranyagia mĩtĩ ĩno nĩguo kũgacĩrithia magetha ma kahũa kuma tani 50,000 nginyagia tani 150 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Anset Musau mũrĩmi ũmwe kuma mwena ũyũ augĩte ũrĩmi wa kahũa nĩ ũndũ ũmwe mwerũ ikamba-inĩ na mĩtĩ ĩno no ĩgũteithia na njĩra nene kuona nĩ rahota gwĩtiria mororo ma riũa inene ũndũ ũrĩa ũkũmahe magetha maingĩ na ho gwĩkĩra mbeca mĩhuko-inĩ yao.
Iliyopita ukiangalia bei za kahawa
ingia ofisi kwa sababu tunataka ukuzaji wa kahawa uinuke zaidi, turudi kule tulikuwa miaka ya hapo 1970s na before, na hata tuende mbele zaidi. Kwa hivyo hiyo ni mikakati ya kusaidia mkulima ili tuweze kutimiza manifesto ya gavana wetu ambao ni ya chakula mezani, pesa mfukoni.
Tumejua ni mti pesa, na tukijihusisha katika kahawa itatunufaisha katika maisha yetu na pia katika familia zetu ndogo zile tuko nazo.
Mleta itaongezea ile acreage, kwa maana wengine watapanda mpya, siku kote zingine zimekauka huko ndani, tunaenda kurudishia isile, ndio kahawa yako endelee na kuwa mingi. Huko tu na watu wako na mashamba ile ilikuwa zamani, sasa hii haina kahawa, ile tu wakulima pale wanasema.
Nake President William Ruto nĩ ateteire kĩgĩna kĩa waki akiuga nĩ gĩgũkorwo na ũguni mũnene harĩ bũrũri, akĩaria mwena wa Mombasa hĩndĩ ya irio cia iftar iria iraharĩrio thingira-inĩ wa iregi nĩ etĩkia ndini ya Gĩithĩramu. Ruto augĩte nĩ maũndũ maingĩ makinyanĩirio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ũndũ wa ngwatanĩro na thirikari njarie. Kahinda-inĩ kau President nĩ okĩrĩire mũng'ethanĩro akiuga ndũrĩ hĩndĩ ũgakinyanĩria harĩ kũgayũkania bũrũri.
Nĩ hĩndĩ ya irio cia iftar thingira-inĩ wa iregi Mombasa iria iraharĩrĩrio nĩ atongoria nĩguo kũrĩanĩra hamwe na etĩkia ndini ya Gĩithĩramu mweri-inĩ ũyũ mũtheru wa Ramadhan. Atongoria ngũrani kuma thirikari-inĩ na arĩa nĩ etĩkia ndini ya Gĩithĩramu makĩũria thirikari marũmbũiye amu marona ta matiganĩirio kwa ihinda iraya.
Mtoto akimijikenda akienda tafuta kitambulisho, na mtoto wa Kiislamu, mtoto akimijikenda atapata kitambulisho chake haraka kushinda mtoto wa Kiislamu. Process zao ziko tofauti na Kenya ni moja, lakini ulipokuja ile pazia ambayo ilikuwa inatugawanya ukaibwaga.
Everybody must be treated equally under the constitution, under your leadership. Hakuna kubagua kabila hii, dini hii, eneo hii. That is what we have seen under your leadership and your excellency.
President William Ruto agĩtetera kĩgĩna kĩa waki nĩ atũgĩrĩtie ambunge mwaho-inĩ wa ODM na UDA nĩ gũkĩhĩtũkia mĩario yake ĩkĩnyitwo mbaru nĩ mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM niwe Oburu Oginga.
Leo hapa hatungekuwa tunaongea mambo ya National Infrastructure Fund if there was no broad-based government. We would not have had the capacity to even raise resources using the Kenya Pipeline IPO or the Safaricom process. It would not have been possible.
Mr. President, I was so happy when you established this fund of infrastructure, because those areas just need development, that is infrastructure, and they will get even better returns than the so-called high potential areas, Mr. President.
Muingi ni uritio kwiyumiria kwiyandikithia ta aikia a kura na njira nene guku atongoria gicigo-ini giki magiukirira mwaho wa mung'ethaniro.
Tunaanza msafara wa pili kuweza kuhakikisha kila mmoja ameweza kuchukua kitambulisho chake, hata yule nyanya ambaye kwamba amedhulumiwa miaka yote awe na kitambulisho chake.
Mheshimiwa Rais, wale wachache wa kabila, wabaguzi hawana nafasi katika Kenya ya leo.
Oho president ni oritie atongoria kunyitana niguo kunina uhuthiri wa dawa cia kulevya guku bururi-ini.
Alcoholism, drug abuse, these are things that are undermining the future of our country because they undermine especially the most critical sector of our society, the young people of our nation.
Handu-ini ha Inoro TV kuma guku gico-ini kaunti ya Mombasa, ni njĩtagwo Francis Madi.
Nĩ ngatho Francis Madi kuma mwena ũcio wa gĩcũa-inĩ. Ũrĩmi wa kahũa karĩa karahũthĩra ndawa cia kĩmerera nĩ ũndũ ũkoretwo na umithio mũnene kũrĩ arĩmi, kuona kahũa gaka nĩ karagũrwo wega thoko-inĩ cia nja wa bũrũri. Kũringana na ataramu a ũrĩmi, namba nene ya arĩmi matikoretwo na ũtaũku wa gũthondeka tĩri ona kana gwĩkĩrĩra ũrĩmi wa kahũa na njĩra ya kĩmerera, ũndũ ũrĩa ataramu marauga wagĩrĩire gũcenjio. Moni wa Thuku nĩ ũratarĩria makĩria.
Mwena wa Kiamũtũgũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga nĩ kwa arĩmi a kahũa kuma kaunti-inĩ cia Nyeri na Kirinyaga mekinyĩtie na nĩguo gũthoma njĩra itiganĩte cia ũramati wa kahũa na mĩmera ĩngĩ na makĩria harĩ ũhũthĩri wa ndawa itarĩ na kemiko. Na kũringana na ataaramu a ũrĩmi gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, gĩkĩro kĩa ũrũrũ tĩri-inĩ guothe bũrũri-inĩ gĩkinyĩire gĩcunjĩ kĩa 80%, ũndũ ũrĩa ũracũngĩrĩria gũcoka thĩ kwa magetha.
Na mĩgũnda yothe tũthiĩte SCL na Ruiru 11 nituona makiria muno kihwa kimwe no ikuheta kirota 30 kuthi na iguru na tuona arimi aitu mangihuthira urimi ucio tuona tumathomithie kuringana na njira yo twathoma nayo na metikire kuhuthira organic chemicals tuguteithika muno.
Maugite ati mĩmera ĩrĩa ĩrakorwo ĩkĩendio thoko cia nja wa bũrũri ĩtahũthĩrĩte kemiko ĩrĩ na thoko nene, kuona atĩ kũrĩ mabũrũri mamwe ma Rũraya matakoragwo metĩkĩrĩtie ũhũthĩri wa kemiko.
Warĩma organically thoko cia nja nĩ iratuĩka attracted na njĩra nene muno nĩ tondũ nĩ iragũra kahũa karĩa ko karĩmĩtwo organically na ona gũkũ locally nĩ tũrabota gũprocess kahũa gaitũ tũgaka value na tũgakendia locally na tũkona nĩ karatũba mbeca na njĩra nene muno makĩria na nĩbo tũrona kweli kahũa ke mbeca.
Thoko nĩ improvete tondũ kuma twathondeka kahũa gaitũ na organic nikagitana quality na bei yoka wega. Last time twagũrirwo na 170 njuriga.
Moriti arĩmi kũhĩmbĩria ũhũthĩri wa ndawa cia kĩmerera iria iragirĩrĩria gũtherema kwa mĩrimũ na iria itarĩ ũgwati kũrĩ mĩĩrĩ yao oro hamwe na indo iria maratwara thoko-inĩ.
Gũkũ nĩ twakora ũrĩmi ũcio wa organic nĩkĩo Kirinyaga gĩkoretwo na kahũa kaingĩ, na wakerĩ gũtirĩ mwaka wa matakoragwo na kahũa kĩmera na nikio turonire nĩ wega tũke tũcike advice gũkũ Kirinyaga na nĩgetha tũke tuone na tuongerere macao thĩinĩ wa ũrĩmi witũ wa kahũa.
Namba nene ya arĩmi makoretwo magĩceha kahũa ũrĩa gũtagĩrĩire, noguo gũkaga magetha mega.
Koguo ndĩngiuga nĩ atĩ takorwo no twe Blaze Organic ona ngorwo rĩngĩ no tũkorwo tũgĩcenjia kuma kwĩ chemical based fertilizers na matawa na tũbũthagĩra andũ aingĩ no matetheke na nĩ tuonete ũgarũrũku mũnene.
Arĩmi magĩtũgeria mathomo ma maugĩte atĩ nĩ monete ũgarũrũku kuma rĩrĩa mambĩrĩirie kũhũthĩra njĩra cia kĩmerera, tĩri ũkagĩra na magetha magakorwo makĩongerereka.
Othe kuga kwenda ũtũũro mwega nĩ ũrĩa ũngĩrũmĩrĩra ũrĩmi wa kahũa na ũthingate na arũmĩrĩra makũmũtara nĩ ũndũ makũmũtara na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inoro TV kuma Kiamũtũgũ gĩcũgũ kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, njĩtagwo Boni wa Thuku.
Nĩ ngatho Boni wa Thuku. Na kuma kũu kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga tũgũthiĩ nginya kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kisumu kũrĩa kwĩna igongona rĩa mũthia rĩa ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũtwarithia wa ndege mũtigairĩ George Were ũrĩa wakuire hamwe na 5 angĩ arĩ hamwe na ũrĩa warĩ mũmbunge wa Imurwa Dikir Johana Ng'eno. Igongona rĩu rĩa mathiko nĩrĩo rĩrathiĩ na mbere na tũgũthiĩ kũu ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe na tũthikĩrĩrie ũrĩa andũ maramũcakaya.
He's called Peter. We took Peter in when he was 4 hours old when the mother died. Peter is a fourth-year medical student, University of Nairobi. Kazi ya Gio. Then I'm remaining with these two. They have wako na sura ya baba yao. So, Stacy, you will read? Yeah.
Good afternoon. My name is Stacy Were. I'm the daughter to George Were. I'm going to read my tribute. Dad, it's hard to believe I'm standing here talking to you like this. There are so many things I wish I could say to you, and so many moments I wish you could still share. You are such an incredible person, funny, gentle, and hardworking. You had a way of making people laugh even when things were difficult. Your humor and playful comments made life lighter, and being around you always made things feel a little better. But what I remember most about you is your kindness. You had such a gentle heart, you cared deeply about the people around you, and always showed love through your actions. You were always there when we needed you. You also taught me the value of working hard and never giving up. You showed me what strength really looks like, not just in big moments, but in the everyday sacrifices you made for us. Daddy, losing you has left a space in my heart that will never be filled. But I know that everything you taught me, every laugh we shared, and every moment we made together will stay with me forever. I hope you know how much you're loved and how much you'll always mean to me. You may be gone from my sight, but you'll never be gone from my heart. I love you always. Rest in peace, my sweet dad.
Next is now the man of the house, Joseph Were. He's studying medicine in Poland.
Dear Dad, words are not enough to describe what kind of man you are. Someone had to experience you in person, to see the gentleman and enigma you are. Always calm like the ocean on a quiet morning. A smart man, always doing everything in a clinical and methodical way. Dad, no man on this earth can ever get the admiration like I have for you, because you are not only a great father to me and to many, but also a great role model. You are the embodiment of how a man should treat his family, loved ones, and everyone else. A strong man you are and always will be to me. When I was a child, I used to see you as a superhero, because I never saw you ill, and even if you are, you always hope on the day's task, ready to take what the day had to offer. You are a passionate man who loved his career and what you did with all his heart. You are truly a gift from God to all aviators who interacted with you in your life. Everybody loved you in your career, and even in death, you are still a legend in your career. You have given so much selflessly for us, your children, all of us, with a man with a pure heart and a pure soul. As I said, no words can describe you. Someone had to experience you to truly see how great you are. Forever in my heart and hearts of many. Dad, your legacy will live on forever. I promise.
Thank you, Joseph. Now, I believe that in this part of the world, everybody can read English. So I will not read my tribute, but I just want to say a few things about my husband. I met George in 1993, and it was very hard to convince me to marry a military man. My brother has just scratched the surface. By the way, Mheshimiwa, another culprit is Denge, Kano Denge. Maybe you should see him. Na umwambie machache. But I believe that is now water under the bridge. When we got married, just after 1 month, George was posted to Hakati for 3 months. And I was like, hii maisha nitaweza? Sitaweza. However, I managed, and he came back from Hakati. Then I learned something about my husband. He loved peace. No wonder his children nicknamed him Mpenda Amani. So I learned not to ask where, how, what time is this, and I got my peace. I also learned that he really, really, really loved his mother. Gio loved his mother, and there's no friend of his or anybody close to him who doesn't know how much he loved his mother. And now to fit in, I also now loved his mother so that I can have peace. And ni ukweli. I love his mother, and the people around here can tell you how close I was with my mother-in-law. In fact, tulikuwa tunawapangia njama, these others. Tukipanga njama na my mother-in-law, it will happen and it will come to be. I learned that Gio loved rumba, and that brought a bit of problems between us. You know the hours of rumba. Until in 2006, when we were both carjacked coming from a rumba joint, and then we agreed now how we are going to do this rumba, such that when we go for rumba, we let our children know where we are. If he goes alone, he will call and let me know that he's with his friends. And that really worked well for me. George loved his children. You see the titles they have. In fact, I remember when my friend was bringing Anel, she was told that in that house everybody has a title. So you go there and get your title. And Anel, I can assure you, you will continue living with us and all will be well. George had a very big heart, the way my brother has said, both to his family and my family. And even though my brother was a bit apprehensive of me marrying a military man, he got to love George. My brother is a tough man, but the day George died, I think I've seen him cry 3 times in my life. When my mother died, when my brother died, and when my husband died. I saw him cry. Otherwise, the rest, anapitiaga tu. So, today, I just want to appreciate those who have supported us ever since this tragedy occurred. I learned of my husband's death on social media. I had the phone on my hand, and then I started seeing news. And I tried to call corporate helicopters, but I think Colonel Denge was also devastated, and he was not able to pick the phone. And when I realized it was him in social media, my first instinct was to call my children, because the way social media is, they were going to see it within the next 10 minutes or so. So I tasked one of my sons, Sami. I told him to call Joseph. They are very close. And I planned to call Stacy. Before I could call Stacy, Joseph had called Stacy to tell him that Daddy is normal. So when I called Stacy, she was so bitter that she was hearing it from her brother, and she refused to talk to me for 2 days. But Mama, I believe we are now good. Yes, you understand why that happened. And when I was told this, eventually Colonel Denge got to call me, and he told, you know, Africans, you don't call somebody to tell somebody that somebody has died. You prepare them first and tell them that we don't think the news is good. And I told him, Paul, because Paul was also our best man at one time, I told him, no, my husband is not coming home. In fact, I even sent him a message asking him, Paul, is my husband coming home? And he didn't respond. So the rest, now you know. As I stand here, maybe if you hear it from the media, you'll think it's PR. But I want to thank His Excellency the President and the Deputy President from the bottom of my heart. You know, there's war in the Middle East, and getting air tickets is not easy. But that office, through our family friend, Dr. Ray Omolo, made sure that my children came back within 2 days, I think, they were here. And I'm very, very grateful because I know that even as they continue mourning, they will have some closure. They'll have some closure. As a military wife, I tell people that I've been more unmarried than married because this man was always away. So even the children, whenever he was around, he would give them his time, but you can pretend that daddy is somewhere and he's going to come back as you pray. Anyway, I thank the presidency, the deputy, and my brother here, Dr. Ray Omolo. The other person I would like to thank is CS Murkomen. When George came from Eldoret, he was to be put in that metal box. And CS said, no. Captain cannot be put in a metal box. You have to give him a coffin. So we sacrificed one of the bodies to go in the box, and he has given us support. Thank you so much, CS Murkomen, wherever you are. I know you have stood with the family, and I know you are a personal friend to Gio. The amount of support that we have received, I can tell you, my husband was loved by people because, he never used to tell me who he is carrying. He'll tell me, nimebeba wenyeji, nimebeba neighbor, nimeenda kwa wenye nguvu. That is how he would never disclose who he's carrying. Maybe until he comes back, then he'll tell me the nicer ones of you and the more official ones. But when he's going, it was always his top secret. I would also like to thank members of parliament, even though I felt bullied, but eventually what came out helped my children and helped me, and we will be eternally grateful. I would like to thank Mheshimiwa Engineer Sudi. You know what you've done for the family. We are talking, and we hope you will continue talking to us. Now, coming to my sister and my colleague, my husband loved flying you around, Madam Martha Karua. He loved flying you around. He loved your strictness because he was also a strict person. Although he had a military background, but I was the militant. Mimi ndio nilikuwa wa kiboko. But he really appreciated the way you treated him when he was flying you during Azimio in 2022. And I would also like to thank His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. He's been with us throughout. We have seen his hand. Na tunasema asante. I will not forget Mheshimiwa Duma came home at 2 a.m. to condole with us. In fact, I had to yawn to make him go away, but he was with us. I will not forget our area MCA who has been with us throughout, and everybody else who has been with us. It will be not fair to mention corporate helicopters. You guys are wonderful. We hope we'll continue to be your family. In fact, I was saying that should I get a pilot in this family, I would point them to corporate helicopters. You take care of your own. I would like to thank my brother-in-law here. He's been my best friend in this family. Apart from George, he's been my best friend, and it has extended even in death. Daktari, I hope you'll be there for us always, as you have been there for your brother. So when our mother-in-law died, George na Daktari ndio walikuwa wanapanga njama ya how to straighten the family. I know it's a very big loss. I want to thank the local administration. You have taken good care of us. You have provided us with the security. Outriders, actually yesterday you would think there's a dignitary that is being escorted. Little did they know that it's just my GO that was coming home for good. I'm not taking for granted our family Jokoyaro. Jokoyaro, thank you so much for standing with us and for being with us. My people of Alego, it started off in a very rough and bumpy manner, but you learned to appreciate my husband, and mumekuja kwa wingi. We have also seen your hands. Maybe you just wave. My legal fraternity. By the way, I'm a lawyer by profession, but this military man managed to make me a housewife to look after the children. So he was providing, and me, I was sitting at home, maybe just doing a bit of work, but looking after these children. That is why you see they have come out the way. The ladies who are here, learn to give your children time. When you don't give them time, baba natafuta huku, mama natafuta huku, watoto watarokota ile bangi iko kwa estate. And there's a lot of it in my estate. I will not forget New Kitizuru residents, my new pastors. They were on the way. I believe they have not come, but they also stood with us and they really supported us. My friends, Atieno, just stand up, Nyangia. Atieno has been my friend since class 4. Actually, most of them, we were either friends in primary, and then we went to secondary, and we are still friends. We are a group of 10 ladies, and they've been very supportive. So I thank everybody who has come to help us mourn my husband. I hope you will keep us in prayers. I know Mheshimiwa Wamalwa has come in late. You were my classmate in LLM at the University of Nairobi. I'm a 2016 LLM student. Thank you so much for condoling with us. Everybody else, we are grateful. We are truly, truly grateful. Don't leave us. Continue holding our hands. We have given our requests to the government, especially for these 2 children, and I know the government will respond and take care of us. Otherwise, thank you so much. I can't forget my sister-in-law, wife to Daktari. She's always been my younger sister. She's been with me throughout, through thick and thin. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Pole zetu kwa familia. May the good Lord continue keeping you, being with you every single minute, every single second, every hour, and every single day. Naona kama hali ya hewa imeanza kubadilika kidogo. Itabidi tuanze kasi kidogo. Allow me to acknowledge the funeral committee, both Nairobi chapter and Nyakach chapter. Hawatakuja hapa kwa wote. Maybe the chairman.
Rĩu nĩ igongona rĩa mũthia rĩa kũhurũkia njorua ya rĩera-inĩ George Were, mutimia wake na makĩria family yake rĩothe igĩthiĩ na mbere na kũmũcakaya ta mũndũ ũrendete andũ na makĩria ũratungatagĩra andũ na wendo. Na ũndũ ndaigua makĩmũcakaya naguo na njĩra nene nĩ mũndũ ũrendete thayũ na njĩra nene. Igongona rĩu rĩake no rĩrathiĩ na mbere na nĩ gũkorwo kĩamũkĩra riboti yake ya mũthia mohoro-inĩ maitũ marĩa makũrũmĩrĩra. Twambe tũikĩrio hanini na ndũgathiĩ kũraya nĩ tũracokereria.
Every city has a place where its story comes to life. Set in Africa's safest city, Kigali Paramount Hotel welcomes you with comfort and ease. Rooms opening to stunning views of Kigali's skyline. With exclusive view travel rates from $70 per person sharing or $120 for a single room. Relax at the spa, pool, gym, or at the lounge as you sip and dine, with every detail designed for your comfort. Explore Kigali's vibrant culture just moments away. Whether for business or leisure, everything you need is right here. Book your stay with View Travel.
Reha okue honokia besha makeria na Heritage Mabati Mills wegwatire discount utangĩtigithia harĩ corrugated na box profile na shilingi 353 harĩ mita na mo brick tile na Roman tile na shilingi 370 harĩ mita. Delivery nĩ free guothe bũrũri-inĩ, no akorwo ũrarĩha no kue mabati maku kũmoya thutha wa ihinda rĩa mathaa merĩ tu ũthondekeirwo kũringana na wendi waku. Tũrĩre thimũ 0746667456.
Kauka mwana ma nikaire mwana iwe kukera tia na ndirende sajama kafandere mwana iria kaneneha ajuri ndano kamwira mayothe kafa kwaria ma koro ihone.
Ndaguthaitha tu witikire rutwike rugambi thimu-ini yaku na ni undu muhuthu uthio hihinya *860*411# no ririkane Inoro TV ni mucii wa aini othe.
At Zetech University, we equip you with global skills to thrive in today's and tomorrow's job market. Choose from market-driven programs in law, data science, computer science, nursing, software engineering, education, business, hospitality, media, IT, and international relations. Experience vibrant student life and ultra-modern facilities. Learn from expert faculty committed to your success. Grow beyond the classroom. Call our admissions consultants and join our May 2026 intake. Zetech University, inventing the future.
Indian foods, yani ni Indian cuisine. Na nisio toko tukirugirwo naan bread haha na stew metiredo
aromata.
No aromata do no waru na miji itamu gikuyu na thufu.
Ni stew ya waru na miji. Na ni spiced.
No jigwa muhede ni mugikuyu wa India.
Agvanta 500SC kuma Farmfix Africa Limited ni dawa ya kuhurana na CBD. Abiriria gutumira Agvanta o tene kiro kioma. Agvanta ni ronekana Agroveti niwe gukuhiriirie. Kawa bora na Agvanta.
Twacokererio ringi na ngatho cia mwanya ni guthie na mbere na gutwirorera. Minister wa tene niwe Raphael Tuju ni ahamurithitio biacara-ini yake mwena wa Karen kuria kwikaine ta Dari Business Park. Firigiceni ino itafanirio ni maafitha a borithi utuku wa ukio muthi. Maafitha acio a borithi marerikana mekinyirie biacara-ini iyo mwena wa Karen makuitwo ni randiruba 7 na kuerera mihango kuria makiria ya biacara 25 ihingirwo gutari mundu uretikirio kuingira kuo. Tuju akoretwo akigucania na bengi imwe iguru ria thiro wa makiria ya bilioni 1 uria aremetwo ni kuriha na gucungirira igoti wathana indo ciake ciendio kuhetukira njira ya munada. Mwandĩki wa mohoro Mwangi wa Maina ni aratariria.
Minister wa tene na uria wari mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Raphael Tuju arauga gikundi kia maafitha a borithi mekinyirie biacara-ini ciake mwena wa Karen Nairobi mathaa-ini ma thaa 9 cia utuku wa gukia umuthi na kumuruturura matari na watho wa igoti.
Gentlemen, fellow Kenyans, it is now 3:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm still at the gate of my premises. They have kicked me out of my facility in Karen. They have stopped even my askaris from coming to the gate. The police have come in with a total of 6 vehicles. They have no court order. This is an impunity which is unbelievable. They are all hiding their faces every time we take their pictures. So when policemen hide their faces, then the question is, are they policemen or are they thugs? Because I'm not able to get their pictures. None of them has come to explain themselves. They are all hiding their faces.
Tuju oigite ahamurithitio biacara-ini ciake kuria makiri ya mawira 25 hamwe na mumikawa minene ihingiriirio kuria oigite ndegwitikira kuhamurithio gutari kihoto kurumirirwo. Kuhamurithio gwa Tuju kumanite na cira wa ihinda iraya uria ukoretwo igoti-ini thutha wa Tuju kuremererwo ni kuriha runi rwa makiri ya ciringi bilioni 2 ruria aheirwo ni bengi ya East Africa Development Bank. Jumatatu ya kiumia giki nirio igoti inene ririga guteaniria ihoya ria Tuju ria kugiria indo ciake ciondio kuhitukira munada mbere yake kuhiuka igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko. Mushirithania Josephine Wayua Mung'are athanite cira uria Tuju ahandite igoti-ini ria gucokia macira riko ukagwetwo kiarega kiumia giukite. Aria nao marenda kwendia indo ciake marenda gukinyukia ikinya riu orio makiuga gutire watho wa igoti umagiritie gwikaguo ihinda-ini riri. Tuju arekwa kuri na maafitha anene thirikari-ini aria maramereria matautonga wake wa mamilioni ma mbeca uria riu ukiria kumurira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV retwa riakwa ni Mwangi wa Maina.
Ngatho Mwangi wa Maina ndu wa riboti yo. Na makiria ma arimi 15,000 akurithia mahiu kuma thothaiti 30 kaunti-ini ithatu iria nicio Embu, Tharaka Nithi na Meru ni mathomithitio urithio wa mahiu wa kiriu magitanya mahiu kuongerera iria niguo mahote kwirugamirira urimi-ini wao. Arimi aria mathomithitio kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 undu rio mahete ugi wa kunina mathina maria marariho mbere maria maranyihagia uria mahiu mararuta iria. Murugamiri wa tabarire yo Grace Mwangi ugete mubango uyu ni uguteithiriria arimi urimi-ini wa kiriu niguo guthondeka silage na oho kunyita itemi hari gucenjia ugi uria menaguo na arimi angi riria mathie monanio-ini ma urimi.
Tulikuwa tuna target cooperatives 10 kwa kila county, so zilikuwa cooperatives 30 na kwa hii cooperatives 30 zilikuwa na jumla ya wakulima 15,000 ambao wamefikiwa kwa trainings on smart farming agriculture na pia silage making yenye imewasaidia pia kuweza ku increase milk production.
Naweza sema nimefaidika sana. Kwanza sana kuna trainings tumefundishwa, tumesomeshwa na tunaweza sema hii mradi kuna ile msingi imetuachia the foundation ile wametuachia, ile wametuwekea ni foundation yenye hata tukikaa miaka mingi hatutawahi sahau hii mradi mahali wametuanzia na mahali wametufikisha.
Kuria thirikari yetu ya county patutetherie na extension officers, tukona extension officers batonya mashinani gwitana antu kurethia na gwitanguge baka tukongereria riringi nto jana andike wanda kithikira getu tukwenderia o milioni 1 ontuko na tutenario, lakini kira twagite muno ni uritani na thirikari yetu tutetheria na aritani bau be extension officers.
Tume urimi-ini tuingire hari ugima wa mwiri kuria thibitari wa Aga Khan mucini munene wa Nairobi ni uruguritie mutambo wa kiri wa kuhura mbica wa mwigana wa ciringi milioni 800 uria gukorwo giteithiriria hari kurigita murimu wa cancer. Mutambo uyu no uria urakurikana ta True Beam Radiotherapy na uria urahuthira njira ya AI uteithagiriria arigitani kumenya haria mafatie kurigita hatari gwiciria noguo kunyihia urigiti uyu kuma maita 20 nginyagia maita 10 noguo kunyihia ona mathina mangi maria manginyita murwaru thabara-ini ya gwetha urigitani. Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya githomo niwe Professor Abdulrazak Shaukat hamwe na arigitani angi ni magathiriria ikinya riri makiuga nire guteithiriria kuhurana na murimu uyu uria uritu waguo ukoretwo ukigwika ni bururi mugima.
The radiotherapy was being given from fixed angles, and now we have a machine that will continuously rotate around the patient, delivering the beam as it modulates, and that allows us to be more conformal to the size and shape of the tumor. So not only is it precise, but it's quicker for patients. And that means shorter time on the treatment couch. It means less side effects.
It is a demonstration of science, research, and technology, and innovation can transform healthcare systems and ultimately save life. The TrueBeam system represents one of the most advanced radiotherapy platform in the world, integrating real-time imaging, precision radiation delivery, and AI-enabled treatment, as my sister explained, planning to target tumors with exceptional accuracy while protecting surrounding.
For patients battling cancer, it is and will be a game changer, elevating our standard of care to align with leading global cancer centers. That's how we deliver quality.
Tuikare hau ugimaine wa mwire kuria kaunti ya Mombatha riu ni yambiririo heani wa njanjo ya kurigiriria murimu wa HIV niyo Lenacapavir thiini wa ceceni 10 cia kuheana utungata wa urigiti makere hindi ya kuruguria dawa eno. Maafitha kuma ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri mwena wa Mombatha moigite dawa eno ni guteithiriria hari kuhurana na murimu wa HIV. Mathiite na mbere na kuga ni marathorima aria maraheo njanjo eno niguo gutigirira ni atwarana na miri yao.
Right now, we have 51,000 who are enrolled in our Mombasa facilities and enrolled and using antiretrovirals in our different facilities. Public facilities, private facilities, and faith-based facilities. So, because of that, we do not want to see any more new infections occurring within our county. That's why for this, it's a good intervention because we believe it will lead to reduction in any new HIV infection in the county.
We are very excited because Mombasa County, this is being rolled out in 10 facilities, and this is an option that is accessible, stigma-free. We have been using the oral PrEP, and one of the barriers that we have been facing is oral PrEP, it's the pill burden and the accessibility because the client lives far away from the facility.
Nake gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu niwe Kimani wa Matagi na ruguretie mubango wa kuhura njeki atwarithia a nduthi kaunti-ini ino kuria ikundi cia huri biacara ino ya ukui na iria ikoragwo ithondekete sako ciao cikwamukira kigina gia ciringi milioni 2 o sako kuma kuri thirikari ya Kiambu. Moses Gige ena ripoti ino makiria.
Mubango uyu nuria ukurikanite ta kazi na boda utanyitwo gukinyira makirima atwarithia a nduthi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Gavana wa Matagi akiuga ni mubango ugucenjia murutire wa wira wa atwarithia a nduthi.
Plan yangu ni wakati tunatoka pale 2027 kila sako iwe ime benefit na 2 million. That's our plan. Hii tumewawekea kwa financial year hii. Next financial year tuko na nyingine tena 1 million, 1 million, 1 million. Jameni, hiyo pesa mkichukua mtumie kwa njia nzuri. Na hiyo ni kaunti mzima ya Kiambu. Mkitumia kwa njia nzuri, kazi ya mwanaboda itaanza kuheshimika jameni.
Kuja tunawapatia booster instead of leading for 3 months out 5,000, Your Excellency, wana boost, they're able to lend for a longer period na a larger amount.
Rodo hiyo augite o hindi ya kuheana cheki ici mwena wa Githurai Ruiro. Atwarithia a nduthi matongoretio ni Isaac Maina makiuga mekuhuthira mubango uyu gwikoria
kwa our dream ya kwamba siku moja tutapata kiongozi ambaye atashikilia wana boda boda wasigawane tu pesa, mbali washike pesa wafanye mradi. Hii pesa ambayo utatupatia, tunakuahidi wakati utakuja tena utakuta tumefanya triple.
Hii pesa tunapewa leo, tusiende kukura mchere pale, tusiende kukura buta huko, tusiende kusubuana ati tugawane. Hebu tukuja pamoja, it's a good booster. Tumepewa, sisi hatukupata duru moja na tuko na 1.5.
Makihuthira kanya gaka kuria gavana wa Matagi kumahitukiria marua ma gwaka nyumba ya atwarithia a nduthi iria ikuhe wikaro ene boda boda makiria ya 100.
Na zaidi ya yote tuko na BQ ambazo tuko nazo hapa, na tunakuomba kwa msaada wako utusaidia na approvals ili tuweze kujengewa nyumba ambayo ni 198 million. Ndio tunapanga kujenga hapa nyumba ambayo itakuwa ni ya gorofa 10 na itaweza kubeba wanabodaboda 100.
Ino ni ceceni ya Inoro TV Ruiro. nani njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.
Nĩ ngatho Moses Nginge. Aikari a matura mũgwanja wadi-inĩ ya Kanjũĩrĩ Olkarau kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua nĩ matanyĩtwo kũgunĩka na ũtungata wa ũtambia wa maaĩ thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua kwambĩka tabarĩra ya gwaka itangi rĩa mahiga mwena ũcio. Tabarĩra ĩyo yanjĩrĩirwo thutha wa matangi ma plastic marĩa makoretwo makĩhũthĩka gũkorwo matekũiga maaĩ ma kũigana kũrĩ mũingĩ. Simon Ngure arĩ na riboti ĩno.
Akĩrugũria tabarĩra ya gwaka itangi rĩerũ rĩa ihiga mwena wa wĩyũmĩrĩria Kanjũĩrĩ Olkarau, MCA wa wodi ya Kanjũĩrĩ Thuo wa Gacino augĩte wona tabarĩra ĩyo yarĩka nĩ makũhota gũtambĩria mũingĩ wa matũra ma wĩyũmĩrĩrie Ciera, Camuka, Karũcua na Mawingu maaĩ, kuona kahinda-inĩ gaka no aikari anini makoretwo makĩgunĩka na maaĩ kuma ndobori ya wĩyũmĩrĩrie.
Ũmũthĩ nĩ tuma na mũthenya wa ground breaking he handũ kwenjetwo borehole mĩaka ta mũgwanja mĩthiru. Borehole ĩno yenjwo ndĩekĩrirwo matangi ma kũigana, koguo na ithuĩ tũretha mbeca. County government ya Nyandarua through niĩ ndĩta MCA wao ndĩramethera mbeca cia gũthondeka itangi. Nĩngũmathondekera itangi inene na nĩngũcoka ndĩmagũrĩre mĩberethi ya kũdistribute maaĩ maya nĩgetha thĩinĩ wa itũra rĩrĩ mĩciĩ yothe ĩkorwo ĩna maaĩ na maaĩ makorwo marĩ maingĩ.
Augĩte ona mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩ makũgunĩka na mĩeke ya mawĩra na oho mũingĩ ũrĩa ũtakoretwo ũgĩtahĩra maaĩ mĩciĩ-inĩ yao kwaũrwo mũrigo wa gũthiaga kũraya gũtaha maaĩ ma kũhũthĩra.
Youth arĩa maratumagwo gũthiĩ gũtaha maaĩ kũndũ kũnene magatumwo na bunda gũthiĩ haraihu, rĩu matigũcoka gũthiĩ, rĩu mekũruta mawĩra mangĩ ma mĩgũnda ma gwĩka maũndũ marĩa mangĩ, tondũ rĩu maaĩ nĩ megũkorwo marĩ namo, maaĩ ma kũigana na maaĩ megũkorwo marĩ thĩinĩ wa mĩciĩ. O mũciĩ nĩ gũkorwo wĩna maaĩ mao.
Mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa matanyĩtwo gũkorwo makĩruta wĩra tabarĩra-inĩ ĩyo maugĩte nĩ mekũhota kuona mbeca cia kũmateithĩrĩria gwĩkũria na oho kũhonokio kĩgera-inĩ kĩa ũmaramari ũrĩa umanaga na namba nene yao kwaga mawĩra.
Niĩ okorwo he kĩndũ kĩangeria nĩ MCA witũ Bwana Gacino gũka gũkũ tondũ ta rĩu maaĩ ta rĩu niĩ nona haha ndĩ neighbor haha ta rĩu nĩ mita cigana kuma haha na ta rĩu ndĩragĩaga thĩna mũno hĩndĩ ĩno kũrarĩte riũa. Na rĩu riũa rĩarĩte ũguo rĩu ta rĩu hĩndĩ ĩrĩa rĩrarĩte rĩu ta rĩu ũguo nĩ ndona maũndũ maitũ nĩ makũhũtha. Ũguo itangi rĩrĩ tũrakĩrwo nĩ MCA Mr. Gacino nĩ rĩkũhota kũhold maaĩ maingĩ ũndũ tũngĩhota gũsupply-rwo nginya ona makona gravity ya kũhota kwambata rĩngĩ handũ matarambataga.
Wĩra nĩ tuona haha andũ matirauma na kũrĩa kana nako nĩ itũra rĩrĩ. Wĩra nĩ tuona, rĩu ngacokia ngatho na ngakena mũno nĩ Bwana Mheshimiwa.
Niĩ ndakena mũno nĩ ũndũ wa MCA witũ gũka gũkũ tondũ rĩu nĩ amba gũtũrengarengera maũndũ ma maramari tondũ tũtingĩkorwo twĩ na kũu tũmĩeke twa mawĩra rĩ nona aratũthondekera. Ndauga Ngai amũrathime na twĩ sawa.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyandarua, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Simon Ngure.
Gĩthomo nĩ njĩra njega ya gũkũhingũra meciria na maitho nĩgetha ũtaũkĩrwo wega nĩ opportunities iria ingĩcenjia mũtũrĩre waku kaimana. Gũkũ NIBS Technical College tũrĩ na ũhoti wa gũgũthomithia kothi itiganĩte kũhĩtũkĩra the latest cutting edge technology. NIBS Technical College nĩ brand ĩtĩkĩte mũno nĩ employers tondũ graduates aitũ makoragwo marĩ critical thinkers and problem solvers. Gũkũ NIBS Technical College tũrĩ na balanced academic and social life na nĩ tũkiriĩtĩte conducive campus environment. Mũciari, kĩranĩro gitũ kũrĩ we nĩ atĩ nĩ tũgwĩka o ũrĩa wothe tũngĩhota gũtigĩrĩra mwanake kana mũirĩtu waku nĩ arũgamia mũtũrĩre-inĩ.
Our bodies get serums and washes, but underarms only get deodorant. That's why our new breakthrough formula has pure hyaluron and vitamin C to deeply care for your underarms for soft and even skin tone in 2 weeks. With 72-hour sweat and odor protection, try the new Nivea Derma Control range because your underarms deserve more. Nivea is for skin.
Kiroto gĩa kwĩgwatĩra service ya gwaku kĩa gũkorwo kĩrabatara tabarĩra ĩmwe tu gĩkinyanĩre. Mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio tarĩki 13 mwaka ũyũ kwambĩrĩria thaa 2:30 nginya thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanĩra na Njoroge wa Gĩthĩnji na Kamau wa Kang'ethe thĩinĩ wa Inooro rũcinĩ, makĩnyita ũgeni director wa Njikwa Kariuki na Martin Kamau kuma Farm Adventures Limited. Director nĩ wendia wa mĩgũnda, ndũkahĩtũkwo nĩ director ĩno ya mwanya.
Citizen Duka inawatakia Ramadhan Mubarak. Tumia muda mchache sokoni na muda mwingi kwa mambo yenye umuhimu zaidi. Bidhaa muhimu na halisi tena za kuaminika kwa bei nafuu, zikiletwa hadi mlangoni mwako. Fanya oda sasa kupitia Citizen Duka app ama kwenye tovuti ya citizenduka.com au tuma agizo lako kwa WhatsApp kupitia nambari 0710 487 487.
Citizen Duka, the home of discount.
Twacokererio ringi na ngatho cia mwanya niguthie na mbere na gutwirorera. Riu tuingire iharo-ini kuria kocha wa timu ya bururi ya arume ya muthako wa gonya niwe Kelvin Wambua niarikitie kugweta athaki 14 aria makanyite itemi mbitikaini cia HSBC series thutha-ini mweri uyu gitaro-ini kia Amerika ya muhuro. Athaki a makoretwo makihariria mbere ya kihitaitano kia mukondo wa keri na wa gatatu gikiro-ini kia division ya keri iria gakorwo Montevideo bururi-ini wa Uruguay na Sao Paulo bururi-ini wa Brazil. Gabi Anyiba na David Nyagige nimarikitie gucokereria timu-ini thutha wa kwaga kunyita itemi mukondo-ini uria urari guku Nairobi mweri-ini muthiru kwa ciangi 12 mari aria manyitire itemi mbitikaini cia mweri muthiru. Mwenene wa iritu kocha munene niwe Odongo Onake niarikitie gwita Judith Auma timu-ini ino thutha wa kuhona nguraro guku athaki acio angi 12 mari aria mathakire timu-ini ino mbitikaini cia mukondo wa mbere oria wari guku Nairobi mweri muthiru.
The Nairobi leg, there are some areas where we went off script and went off the system and we were caught out. So I think we've polished up on those areas and the test is Montevideo to see how well we do. And in our long-term plans for the Olympic 2028 cycle is just to make sure that we expose enough young women into the squad so that by the time we get there that we are already prepared and we have a squad that can compete.
This week's training, it's more of a tactical and a technical. We're just running through our plays and we're executing them much more better with much more clarity than we did in the first tournament. So hopefully heading into the second one in Montevideo, our goal remains to stay to remain top 4 and give ourselves a chance to compete to get to the 7th one in the championships, and I believe the boys are up to the task and they're ready for the challenge ahead.
Nakio kirafu gia Posta Rangers nikirahorire njeki mwihoko wakwa wa gwikurukio ngathi kuma ligine ya KPL thutha wa kuhota kirafu gia Police na bao 2-0 hari ngucanio iria athakirwo Kasarani Annex guku Nairobi na iregwatira point 3 cia bata. Posta Rangers iria koretwo itekwandikithio hotani hari ngucanio kenda iria irathakire na hau gabere irafungirwo ni Jackson Macharia ndagika-ini ya 7 ebidi-ini kia mbere guku Dinken Mwema agifunga bao ya keri ndagika-ini ya 79 ebidi-ini gia keri. Riu Rangers irabateire nginyagia na point 12 na point 28 thutha guthaka ngucanio raundi 24 guku Neo Police guthie na mbere kurugamirira namba 5 na point 37 thutha wa ngucanio oro 24.
Katika mpira lazima makosa iwepo, lakini baada ya makosa unafanya nini? So hapo ndio mali tutaangalia, na pia bado katika safu ya ushambulizi bado lazima tuweke some seriousness, kwa sababu hatuwezi endelea kupanda chances na tukose kufunga.
Kama tunaweza kama mechi 10 bila kushinda, tunashinda 5 6 7 pia. Hiyo ni swali tujiulize. Juu kama tulikayo muda yote bila kushinda, je, sasa tukianza kushinda tunashinda zikikuja na zikifuatana kwa sababu mechi zinakuja. Kwa hivyo ni swali liko kwetu. Tunafaa tushughulike kama technical bench na wachezaji kuhakikisha kwa hizo mechi zinakuja mbele tuzafanyaje kupata ushindi kwa hizo mechi zinafuatilia.
Barua ya mwaliko wa Idi imefika South Sea.
Thaa mugwanja na ndagika 58 macio ni maria mahanikite guku bururi-ini na nginyagia nja wa itoka cia bururi. Na ho niho tugwikirira gaturumo mutamburuko witu wa Inoro Miaraho kuri we wa twirorera na aria othe makinyaniria mutamburuko wa Inoro Miaraho na cia mwanya muno makiria ni ria kwenjetika gitonga wa Wambui gĩa na mĩaraho mĩega.